Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers top-notch sewer repair services in Capitola, California. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all types of sewer issues, from blockages and leaks to complete system failures. Using advanced diagnostic tools, we quickly identify the problem and provide effective, long-lasting solutions. Our commitment to customer satisfaction means we work efficiently to restore your sewer system to optimal function, minimizing disruption to your daily life. Trust Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for reliable, professional sewer repair in Capitola, California. Contact us today at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment to learn more about our services. Are you looking for sewer repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the signs that I need sewer repair in Capitola, California? Common signs include slow drains, frequent backups, foul odors, wet spots in the yard, and gurgling noises in the pipes. If you notice any of these, contact Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for sewer repair in Capitola, California. How quickly can Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment respond to a sewer repair request in Capitola, California? They strive to provide prompt service and can often respond to sewer repair requests within the same day in Capitola, California. What is your sewer repair service office for Capitola, California? Our local sewer repair service office have served clients in the surrounding areas of Capitola, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Grand Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen Avon, Colton, Mira Loma, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, Redlands, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office located? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/capitola-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/